findings were nothing short of miraculous at kinumpirma niya na ang laman at dugo ay mula sa isang tao. Grabe, no? Na ang blood type nung specimen na to ay type AB. Itong type na to ay karaniwan to sa gitnang silangan. At most fascinatingly, the flesh was identified as cardiac tissue, mga ka-faith. Grabe, di ba? Nakakagilalas itong naging findings niya. At sabi niya pa doon, specifically from the myocardium, endocardium, vagus nerve, and the left ventricle of the heart. At sabi dito, a scientific commission from the World Health Organization later confirmed Dr. Linoli's findings, acknowledging that science could not explain the phenomenon. This miraculous event transcend natural explanation, inviting us to deepen our faith in the mystery of the Eucharist. Up to this day, mga ka-faith, marami pa rin mga pilgrims ang bumibisita at gustong makita yung Eucharistic miracle na yan sa Lanciano, Italy. All over the world, binibisita nila yung Church of St. Francis in Lanciano to venerate these miraculous relics.